in a thing makes it happen. I want to improve your memory. The thing you believe and the beliefs you believe happen, and then a thing makes it happen. Let me share simple but powerful habits to sharpen your brain. And the belief in a thing makes it happen. First, get enough sleep, because a rested brain remembers better. Always even. And the belief thing makes it happen. Exercise regularly. Movement boosts blood flow and keeps your mind sharp. And the belief thing makes it happen. Practice mindfulness. Just 10 minutes of meditation daily can clear mental clutter. The belief that you're really the thing makes it happen. Feed your brain with superfoods, nuts, berries, and leafy greens. The thing a leaf thing makes it happen, and here's a game changer. And the belief in a thing makes it happen. Learn new skills. Challenge your mind to stay active and adaptable. And the belief thing makes it happen. Don't forget to stay organized. The thing we believe in a thing makes it happen. Use lists and reminders to reduce stress. Most importantly, believe. And a thing makes it happen. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking may seem productive. And the belief in it weakens your memory. Small changes in a thing makes it happen. And the big impact. Because a strong memory builds a sharper you.